Hi guys, we are planning to offer a 15 hours of session on VLSI prototyping. This course is mainly programmed for freshers and professionals who want to move to the career in VLSI design. In this 15 hours of session, we'll give you lots of information on VLSI design, what are the demanding opportunities on VLSI, how to design your own logics and improve your creativity on VLSI design, and how to get job opportunities in VLSI design. This video, you can have a short lookout on course content. If you have any doubts, write to us and subscribe our channel. Thank you.